Hey guys, crypto episode 64. So had a bit of a double whammy whack this week. So 41,000 down from last week. This came sort of earlier on in the week. We had the Evergrande sort of issues. Stock market went down and everything, and Bitcoin sort of went down with that. So that caused quite a drop, lower than where it is now actually. And then sort of later on, had the China banning Bitcoin again news. So yeah, sort of recovered a little, and then he's dropping again a little today. But yeah, so there is some positive news. Twitter enabling tipping with Bitcoin, and some sort of authenticating NFTs. I'm not sure how much really that is going to be used. I guess sort of if you're on Twitter and you want to show that you've got one, then Twitter will sort of show a special badge that it is definitely yours. But yeah, I think the tipping probably is the more bullish news. So they're saying they're going to use Strike, the payment service, and they're going to run on the Lightning Network. I think that's kind of needed, otherwise you get sort of £10 transactions. So Lightning Network is sort of a secondary layer solution, which sort of rolls a load of what will be a load of tips, say, I guess all into one transaction, and then that one transaction goes on the blockchain. So you pay £10 for that. But yeah, it allows you to make sort of lots and lots of small payments for free, or sort of for a very low fee on the Bitcoin network. So that's quite good. Does sort of open the door potentially, seeing a lot of people saying it could open the door to more people realising Lightning Network sort of potential, and yeah, sort of tipping and small payments and that sort of thing. But we'll see. So yeah, China have declared all transactions illegal. This is not the first time they've tried to crack down on it. It's been going on for the best part of 10 years nearly. Sort of 2013, I think they sort of started going really hard on it, but even before then they were not very keen. So they sort of banned or tried to ban mining earlier in the year, and they're now saying all transactions are illegal. So if you just hold it, I guess it's not illegal, but if you want to do anything with it, then it is. I think this is more not wanting to sort of have the money leave the country, to be honest. They're saying it's sort of volatile and it's speculative and there's money laundering and illegal activities, but I think sort of really they just don't want the money leaving the country. And they've got their central bank issued digital sort of yuan, so they want to be sort of pushing that. What they're going to do with Bitcoin and that sort of thing long term, don't really know, but we'll see. So that's had a bit of an impact, but nothing to get too worked up about. So yeah, Bitcoin's down 14% nearly on the week. So that's not too good. Cardano actually holding up pretty well, just under 8%, which is pretty good to be outperforming Bitcoin. Ethereum, obviously, most of them are going to be worse than Bitcoin, so nearly 19% on Ethereum. OMG, 12.5%. Not too bad, fairly similar to Bitcoin. They've been doing quite well recently. A lot of partnerships, a lot of sort of new development, so that's good. Litecoin, 20%. Quite the opposite of OMG. Don't really see anything sort of coming out on them. Kind of hold on to it just for almost sentimental value and wanting it to get back to where it was. XRP 15%, not too bad. TRON 20%, that's a bit rough. That was doing quite well recently, so that's done a little worse. 18.5% for Stellar. Basic attention token 16.6, not too bad. EOS 27.8%, so yeah, that's one of the worst. Power Ledger 24%, again quite low cap, so no surprise there. Dash 20%, and then the smaller caps. Internet Computer isn't, it's a larger cap, but one of my smaller holdings, that's gone below £30, that's 30% down. I did actually buy some more of this on Friday, so that's sort of at a little bit of a loss, bought in at about £32.50, so my average on this is still, be about £24, I think, so still in profit, but yeah, see where this goes. 30% down though. Bit of a whack. New Cipher 18%. Band Protocol 24.8, nearly 25%. Quantstamp 27. So the small caps really are taking a hit. 22% on Anchor. And Cocos now, the bottom one, 25.5% down. So, yeah, taking a real whack. And we've dropped, nearly £2,300 since I started the video. So we're taking another little trip down. But, yeah, you have to roll with the punches. I think we just need to get this quarter out of the way, to be honest, and move on to October, November, December time. I think sort of September's generally a bad month, and a bad sort of up and down-ish quarter. It tends to end the quarter sort of a little bit down. So yeah, Q4, roll on Q4. So leave your thoughts in comments below, and like and subscribe. See you soon.